Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're unboxing you guys and showing you these mini Loaf silicone pans. So these are really cute. They are for baking or cooking. So let's see here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're just very simple and basic silicone pans. They're like a dark maroon color. So on the back here it says maximum temperature 230 degrees Celsius, 40 the maximum is 230 degrees Celsius or minus 40 Celsius, which is the maximum is 446 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it says, for the maximum temperature. That's actually pretty hot and pretty cold. So this is it. I would say it's a good, probably about around 2 inches deep. Maybe 4.5, 5 inches long. Overall, they're really nice. They're great for a lot of things. Something that I'm actually going to use them for is melting chocolate in them and then dipping different pretzels and stuff inside for desserts. You know, if you make the lollipop cake pops on sticks, you can melt different chocolates, peanut butters in each one. So white chocolate in one, and then you can drizzle on and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be using them for. Let's go ahead and see. They also have a little pamphlet in here. It just goes over instructions for use. I think they're gonna work great. So that is what they look like.